Hey y'all! Hey y'all! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel here. I am a 31-year-old budgeter that's doing the zero-based budget where I'm working to becoming debt-free as well as getting my savings together because I have savings goals as well. And I will be doing all of this simultaneously. I will not just be focusing on debt and then savings. I'll also be saving. I also will be enjoying my life, taking vacations and things like that within my means. Okay, so today we're going to be coming with another cash stuffing. I hope y'all are well today. This is going to be an interesting journey. Oh, by the way, if you would like to join this journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you'll get to see the many different ways that, the many different directions that my journey goes. So let's organize these bills. Y'all know I like my bills to be facing one way. I don't know if other people are like that, but I'm definitely like that. Here. Okay, so we are all set for that. I'm really excited about this, y'all. I feel like we have a lot going on. You guys are going to be a part of all that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start with my boyfriend finders. This is pretty simple again. So, my birthday was yesterday, and I'm just so excited to be here another year, and I thank God for that. So, we celebrated my birthday, and he was just amazing, and it just was so fun. And he budgeted everything, y'all, like all the money that I put in the envelope that you guys saw in the previous video that was towards my birthday. It was like at the end, I'll show y'all. But it just was a great experience. My love language is gifts, y'all. So unfortunately, part of gifts is spending money. But a lot of times too, you can give gifts that you created and things like that. But yeah, it was a successful birthday. So I'm just excited to just be back on this journey. So for ties, he will be getting 189. So again, if you don't really know what tithes is, it's just what we give to our church. We give 10% of what we earn to our church. Just so we believe in sustaining our church, but also we have faith that God will provide. And this is a sign also that we trust Him with our very first, um, our very first decision in where our money goes. So 150, 60, 70. Oh, wait, yeah. 150, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So every Sunday, I'll usually pull this out and I'll just bring it to the church. Okay. Oh my gosh, can I get a little bit more organized? Sorry, y'all. I hate when my stuff comes out sloppy, so I have to do it over again. Is that just me, or like, is anybody else like that? Because I can't do it if you don't look cute. Okay, so the only thing he'll be getting also is rent, which is going to be 438. I mean 463. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 60, 1, 3. Let's try this again. 100, 200, 300, 400, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's all for him. Okay, then there's me, y'all. So mine is also going to be simple as well. I believe I did some online things already. I did. What did I do? Oh, I paid my cell phone bill online. I paid for a few other things online. So, what's left is 1373. So the first thing is ties for myself, and that's going to be 165. 65, 100, 150, 65. That goes in ties. Okay, so savings. I did my hair for my birthday, and I took something out of savings. So I'm going to reimburse myself. So what's going in savings is two payments. I also have to pay for gas. So gas is going in there, and hair is going in there, which is 140. So we have 100, 100. Oh, sorry, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 670, 80, 90. Wait, why do I always do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 690. Yes. So in addition to that, I also have a savings. So what I'm doing is I'm paying myself back, but I'm also adding the normal amount of money that I add in there. So it's going to be 10% of what I make, and so that's going to be 150, 65. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, $855. Almost at 1K. I can't wait to put that 1K slip in. And once I hit that 1K, I will put it in my high yield savings and then put 1K slip. Emergency is getting 100. And here we have 100, 200, $300. Okay. Business is getting 200. Y'all, I got some money for my birthday. So I put 200 in here. So already, and then put additional 200. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, $700, and $3. So 703. Wow, that's crazy, y'all. We got that. We stacked that up pretty quick. um, Okay, so groceries won't be getting anything because I already have groceries. Student loans won't be getting anything as well. Debt won't be getting anything, and wedding won't be getting anything. Moving out will be getting 250. I lowered this only this month because it's my birthday month. And I don't really treat myself throughout the whole year because I just really want to get my goals together. So moving out, we have 1,200, wait, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 100, 200, 300, 350, 3,000, 350. Marco won't be getting anything. Apple credit card will be getting $113. I really need to like do a condensing video because I don't really like all these small bills. That makes sense because I just like it to be simple. So 100, 200, 300, 30, 40, 43, 343. My goal is to have 500 a month towards this, but since my birthday was this month, this is the target for now. So I'm actually going to take this out this month, and then I'm also going to pay it down. This is already funded for the month. Car maintenance won't be getting anything this time, and then travel will not be getting anything this time. His appointments. I think that's it, y'all. Yeah, that's it for this. Right there. So what's left is savings challenge. So far we did one, first two, and then now we're gonna do the last two, which is 190. 150, 90. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. Like I actually did it for this for this month. Just gotta keep this up for 12 months. I'm still trying to figure out if this is gonna go towards my Italy trip and I just save this way, or part of it go to my Italy trip, or if I'm just gonna put this in my savings. We'll see. We'll see what my income is like this year. If I can hustle and get like side hustle and get the extra 5,000, I'll just do it that way and put this in my savings. But we'll see. So yeah, y'all, January is done. Now we moving on to February. I'm so excited. So I see the pricing is alternated. So next month, so I get paid. I don't get paid bi-weekly. I get paid bi-weekly. So I have to add these two up in order for it um to be caught up. So unfortunately, I can't do it by week. So I will have to add these sums. Um, and yeah, that will be it. So that's okay though. It's fine. We'll get it done. If I have extra income, we can probably go towards that. Okay, y'all. So that's it for this video. It was a very simple video, straight to the point. Minus the fact that it was 14 minutes long, but y'all get what I mean. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope you'll stay on this journey with me. As you can tell, my debt is not as intense as other people make out theirs to be. I just want to also live life at the same time. My goal is to pay off my credit cards first and then knock out my student loans as soon as possible. And then I'll probably use, when I knock out my student loans, what I'll do is probably pay off of one of my credit cards because I get 3% back and then pay off. So I'll stuff it for student loans, but I'll pay it with my um, credit card and then pay off that immediately that month. money, because what happens is it turns into cash, and it goes straight into a savings account. So with these big huge payments that I have to make, to me that's the best decision, just so I can get some. It's not much, but at least it's something. 4%. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing, and you guys will see that on this journey. But I'm just so excited that you guys are coming back with me on my journey. Thank you for all the comments and the support in my last video. I really appreciate that. You guys are super supportive, and welcome to the family if you just joined my last video, and welcome to the family if you're going to be joining this video. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to support each other. So thank you, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!